Do you want to increase immunity? Looking for a natural remedy for many diseases? Want to sleep soundly at night? Have beautiful skin and slim body? Then golden milk, a spicy warming drink from India, is for you. Now I will tell you more about this drink and then give you the recipe for making it. It is so useful, but at the same time simple to prepare that you will be surprised. Useful properties of the healing drink. Golden milk with turmeric were discovered by followers of the teachings of yoga and Indian medicine, Ayurveda, and treated as an effective remedy that can help a person with various diseases. Why is this drink called golden? Well, firstly, turmeric is known for its coloring properties, so when combined with milk, the drink acquires a beautiful golden hue. And secondly, this remedy by its properties is a valuable cure for many ailments. More specifically, during colds, especially if they are accompanied by a dry cough, to restore the capillary network of blood vessels and their cleaning, when overweight, and to reduce appetite, to stimulate immunity, especially during flu epidemics, for problems with the functioning of the liver and stomach, with diabetes mellitus, and in many other diseases helps as it increases immunity and strengthens the body as a whole. Ground Indian turmeric, ginger, and black pepper in the basis of a healing recipe for a mixture of spices is able to resist viruses, improve skin health, and eliminate toxins. A drink for immunity with cardamom, real Ceylon cinnamon, and orange zest with a velvety aftertaste is your best alternative to coffee without sugar and caffeine. Ground natural turmeric with milk and honey will help to relax your nervous system and your restful sleep. This is just a short list of possible options for adding spices to the basic recipe of golden milk, which you can add based on your taste preferences and depending on what ailment you want to get rid of. That is, you can make your own unique, natural drink from the basic recipe. It can be drunk even without having any health problems, but only because of the pleasant taste. You can give it to children after a recommendation with a doctor. In addition, if for some reason you do not drink regular milk, you can replace it with almond milk or coconut milk. Honey and other spices can be added to taste, or not at all. If you are on a keto diet, detox, vegan menu, then safely include golden milk in your diet. Now write down the basic recipe for golden milk. Bring 200 milliliters of milk to a boil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground Indian turmeric. This dosage can be reduced or increased a little bit according to taste. Stir well with a wooden spoon. That's it. Drink with pleasure. Very easy, isn't it? If desired and according to the list of diseases listed above, add to the golden milk honey, ground ginger, black pepper, cardamom, real Ceylon cinnamon, orange zest. By the way, black pepper enhances the effect of turmeric, so it can be added just a little to your taste. And it is desirable to grind it in a mill directly into the milk itself by scrolling the mill once. If you don't have a mill for black pepper, add ready ground pepper on the tip of a knife. If you don't like the taste with pepper, then add it only when you have colds. There is a second way to make golden milk. Write down the recipe. To prepare golden milk according to the second recipe, first you need to prepare the base. Prepare it as follows. Basis. Water, 200 milliliters, curcuma, 2 tablespoons. We take water and turmeric. Combine them in a small turk or saucepan. Put on low heat and cook, stirring constantly. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until you get a homogeneous porridge. Transfer it to a clean, dry jar with a tight lid. Store in the refrigerator for up to 20 days. The base is ready. This golden gruel on the tip of a teaspoon and add it to 200 milliliters of hot milk. Stir well. This dosage of golden gruel from the refrigerator can be slightly reduced or increased to taste. Add honey and spices as desired, as in the first recipe for golden milk. The second recipe of golden milk is for your convenience, that the base would always be in the refrigerator. You can boil milk at any time and add the base to it. Before taking golden milk, you should consult your doctor, especially if you have gallbladder problems. If you have gallstones in the gallbladder and blockage of its pathways, while taking any medications, especially diabetic drugs, as turmeric has the property to increase their effect several times. In pregnancy, also need a doctor's consultation. If your doctor has not found contraindications, then safely take this invaluable drink. It is an undoubted benefit for the body and pleasure for the soul, for you and your loved ones. If you have been taking golden milk for a long time, then share your impressions about it in the comments. By doing so, you can help many people. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and share the video with your loved ones, because we will always have a lot of interesting material for the benefit of your soul and body, interesting stories, as well as unique healing and rejuvenating recipes based on natural products, herbs, and potions from the sages of antiquity, from the East and around the world.